to order some food, guys. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm blessed. Let me see what I could get. Let me get 3 pieces of chicken tenders.
Just the chicken?
Just the chicken. And you got fries?
I did have fries.
Okay, large fries.
3 piece, barbecue ranch and honey mustard.
Wait a minute. What kind of sauce do you have?
Barbecue ranch and honey mustard.
You got ranch and what else?
Barbecue.
Barbecue? Oh, really? Do you have? Let me see. You got barbecue? Oh, wow. You have barbecue sauce. Oh, wow. Okay. Do you have tilapia sauce?
Huh?
Do you have tilapia sauce?
Apple sauce?
No, not tilapia or bugoy.
No.
Oh, you don't have that.
Honey mustard, ranch, or barbecue.
Do you have like onion sauce?
Barbecue.
Maybe like Izo,
No, I don't have.
honey barbecue?
And ranch and honey mustard.
Oh, wow.
No, we're out of all the good stuff. We have hot honey.
Oh, ok, no problem. Only barbecue sauce.
Yeah, barbecue and ranch.
C'est pour le nègre dégager fait sauce par eux. Barbecue sauce seulement bien là. All right, I'll get that.
Okay, 3 piece or 5?
3 pieces.
Okay, do you want the combo with the drink?
Yes, please.
We're
Pour
gonna
nègre
do a
dégager.
$5 meal and be cheap.
All right. So, I didn't give me.
You want it small or medium?
Medium. I'll take that. Thank you so much. Non, ouais, ça, monsieur. Dégagez, nous fait sauce par eux. Barbecue seulement. All right.